She said retail workers don't understand investing. You should leave money management to people with actual financial education. Michelle worked as a financial advisor and made $120,000 a year managing client portfolios. She saw me in my Target uniform and said, "David, retail workers don't understand investing. You should leave money management to people with actual financial education." Michelle had an MBA in finance and constantly talked about her professional certifications. She'd make comments about how minimum wage workers should focus on budgeting basics instead of trying to play the stock market. "I have clients who pay me substantial fees because investing requires expertise," she continued, adjusting her designer sunglasses. "It's not something you can learn from YouTube videos and Reddit forums." What Michelle didn't know was that I'd been day trading for 4 years, starting with just $2,000 from my retail paychecks. I studied market patterns, technical analysis, and earnings reports every night after my Target shifts ended. The retail job actually gave me advantages that Michelle's clients didn't have. I shopped the floor every day, seeing which products moved fast, which brands customers asked about, and which companies were gaining or losing market share in real time. When I saw Apple accessories flying off shelves before earnings, I bought calls. When I noticed Nike shoes sitting unsold while Adidas moved consistently, I adjusted my positions. Working retail was like having a front row seat to consumer behavior data. My trading account had grown to $180,000 over 4 years. Last month was particularly good. I made $28,000 in profits from well-timed options trades on companies I understood from working retail. Michelle kept explaining why amateur investors always lose money. The market is dominated by institutional investors with sophisticated algorithms and research teams. Individual traders are just gambling. Yesterday, Michelle's sister asked me to help move some furniture. While loading boxes, Michelle saw my phone notifications showing trading alerts and profit updates. "David, why are you getting stock alerts? Please tell me you're not wasting money on day trading." I showed her my trading app with my current portfolio value. Actually, I've been pretty successful at it. Michelle stared at the screen showing $180,000 in my account. "This can't be real. You work at Target." "I work at Target and I trade stocks. The retail job helps me understand consumer trends before they show up in quarterly reports." She was scrolling through my trading history, seeing consistent profits. "How did you make $28,000 last month?" Tesla options before their delivery numbers, Disney calls before their streaming announcement, and a few retail plays based on what I see moving in stores. Michelle sat down on the couch we'd been moving. "David, you've made more money trading than I make in salary. Different approaches to the market. You manage other people's money conservatively. I trade my own money aggressively based on consumer data." She was looking at my winning positions with growing shock. "But you don't have formal training." "I have 4 years of watching customers buy and sell products every single day. That's market research your MBA program never taught." Michelle was quiet for a moment. "I've been telling clients that retail investors can't beat the market. Your clients probably can't because they don't have daily access to consumer behavior data. I see iPhone launches succeed or fail based on customer reactions weeks before earnings reports." She looked around at her sister's house, then at my phone showing another profitable trade notification. "David, would you teach me your strategy?" I smiled and put my phone away. "Sure, my consulting rate is $500 per hour. Minimum 4-hour package." Michelle didn't even hesitate. "Deal. When can we start?"